guys, and welcome back to a Feliz Day. In today's video, we'll be traveling to Mexico for a 7-night stay at Sunscape Resort and Spa. Now, we did fly Spirit Airlines out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Just landed in Cancun. Okay guys, so we are waiting for our transfer vehicle. We did book with e-transfers. They said the wait time would be like 10 minutes. So I'll keep you updated. This is what they just gave us. Care package from e-transfer. We each got one of these. We're just waiting for it to leave. We're here just waiting to be checked in. The time is 2:45. We got here at 11:30 and they told us to check in and our room was going to be ready by 3 o'clock. So we had a quick lunch, a burger and fries, and now we're just waiting. Okay, so I'm coming inside the room. This is the room. Got a huge mirror. This room is huge. Where do we turn the lights on? We got a big closet here. Huge, huge closet. Extra storage. Look at the size of this bathroom. I mean, this bathroom is huge. Look at this tub. Holy cow. That's the toilet area. Stand-up shower. This is the bathroom. Going back out. King size bed, lots of storage. All this. TV. Coffee maker. Huge lamp. A little sofa. And then out here, is our patio. The 2 tables, a jacuzzi overlooking the infinity pool. Okay guys, this is the end of our travel day for our Mexico vlogs, and stay tuned for day 1.